Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we will quickly look at what's new in iOS 27 and how you can install the iOS 27 beta on your iPhone or iPad. So guys, iOS 27 brings several new features including a smarter AI-powered Siri, improved notifications, enhanced privacy controls, updated widgets, and better overall performance. Apple has also refreshed apps like Messages, Photos, and Safari to provide a smoother user experience. If you want to try iOS 27 before its official release, you can install the beta version. So guys, for that, first back up your device to avoid losing important data. Next, you have to simply open settings on your device, then general, then tap on software update. And then you have to simply select beta updates and choose the iOS 27 beta from here. So as you can see this, you can easily choose it from here. After this, go back and now you have to simply tap on update now. So I simply update it and it will be downloaded on your device, and then you can install it on your device as well. So I simply download it and install it, and make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi and has enough battery power during the installation process. So I simply tap on update now and your device will be updated. So guys, that's it. Now you know what's new in iOS 27 and how to get the iOS 27 beta on your iPhone or iPad. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Apple tips and updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.